Smiling makes the world a better place, but it can also make you a better singer. Really? Let's prove it. Welcome to another 3-minute vocal tip. My name is Dirk Hoppe and I'm a singer and vocal coach. There are many things to consider when training high notes in order to extend your vocal range. And of course, it's a process and requires continuous practice and good instructions. But there are also some tricks that might help you right away to sing higher notes with more ease and more power at the same time. Here's one of those tricks, the smile position. Especially the vowels oo, o and o tend to become more difficult when you want to sing them higher. If you have, for example, you give me something, you may find the word you on the top note more straining than the same note in the second phrase, please give me nothing. The oo, like in you, often sounds darker, maybe a bit muffled, and it might feel if there's some weight hanging on it. The note also tends to become flat, and it might feel straining. The reason is, we tend to form these vowels like we do when we speak, with round lips. Ooh! Now try to sing the same note with a smile. Ooh! As you can hear, it sounds brighter, clearer, and it's much easier to get up in pitch. Ooh! 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 Compared to ooh! Wow, that's really straining. In the beginning, it might feel strange or even impossible to sing the vowel oo with a smile. If your lips refuse to do it, use a mirror to check if you're smiling while practicing all the vowels in this position. Ooh! Ooh! Ah! Oh! E! E! What happens is that you now put your tongue in charge of shaping the vowels instead of your lips. In the beginning, you might have to search for the right tongue positions to get the correct vowel sounds. But once you've found them and got used to them, you will benefit also from a more consistent sound. Warnings. First, while practicing, make sure that you don't tense up the lips and the jaw. You want to have a kind of loose, relaxed smile. Second, always make sure that singing feels comfortable in your throat. Whenever you feel muscles constricting your larynx, or it doesn't feel good anyway, then you're not on the right path. Try something different. Go lower in pitch or experiment with tongue positions. So, keep smiling and try it on your difficult songs. Please let me know in the comments below what you've experienced and subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss upcoming vocal tips. Thanks for watching.